Ben here with Tiger Scorpion Self-Defense Techs. I'm about to go over the screwdriver. So, first thing about the screwdriver is it's good for concealment. Concealing it is very important because you don't want anybody to know you have a weapon, and when you do end up using it, it's when they find out. So, concealment. I got mine. I got two on me. I'm gonna show you both sides of how I usually carry it. You just stick it in your pants right here, and it's quick draw it out easily. So set up for straight out already. You can even grab it reversed. If I come in, just grab this way. But you need something that's fast and quick deployment. So it's in as soon as you need it. You can pull it out. Alright, so you can use the flathead or the Phillips. And these I got at Walmart for like less than $1. They're just under $1. And what you want for gripping wise, these are great for grip. So you got the little finger spots right here, and it fits in your hand perfectly. Put your thumb on it. It's not going to slide around. Very important also to strike with the thing. Get it like maybe a wooden block or something, and strike on it and get used to that impact on hitting stuff. So that's that. Alright, now I'm gonna go over the grips. So first grip, stick your finger down here like this across, and you're squeezing these fingers. Squeeze it, lock it into your palm right here so it doesn't slide. That's first grip. Next one, you got thumb grip. You can slide up here, which is good for your pressure point and controls. Like you can also strike down on the wrist right here. There's a rub point. There's a rub point underneath it too. Next is reverse grip. This one is good for concealing it. If you're out walking and feel unsafe, you can hide it and just walk with it like that on the side. Hide it up your arm, especially if it's a dark area. But I usually just keep it like I showed you in pants and just be able to pull it out and strike. And those are the grips. Of course, you got the regular grip, but yep. Oh yeah, and then for the spin, so when you do spins to swap your thing, grab it about halfway on the screwdriver and you just flip it up and down. You practice it up, down, and always squeeze when you're doing it so you don't lose it. And you just keep practicing that. Swap to here, swap back, swap up, down, easy. And those are the grips. Alright, for this exercise, I'm going to demonstrate the Jeet Kune Do little speed training thing. So you take a tape, put it across your door, take a piece of paper, and you just hang it up like that. What you're doing is you're transferring power. So you want a whipping type of motion. So it goes like this. Just like that. Alright, so the little picture that I just showed before this video is how your back foot is going to roll. So the numbers are in order. They go heel, but your knees not always is not locked. I'm just demonstrating. So it goes heel, roll to the side, to the forward. So you end at the toe. What it is you're creating that little spring motion like that. Shoot it up. From side, it's like this. So your knees are slightly bent. Like always, your feet planted shoulder width. So if we were in the forward stance, we're just slightly turning, facing like this. Our feet, see how we're bouncing on that back leg like this. Front leg, you're only using as your toe. That way, if we have to, we retreat, push off our toe to retreat, like that. So from the back one, we're shooting in like this. Create that little speed boost. Retreat. So you want your body to feel like spaghetti. You want to be all loose. You can do a little dance, like do this little dance side to side. Don't keep your knees bent and just transfer power back and forth like this, but grip with your feet. Your feet never move. You can just dribble like this back and forth. You get that little twist. You bring it up from your leg into your hip and shoot it out. Your shoulder comes first and then whips it out like that. So here, that's how you transfer your power to get a little speed boost. Toe push back. And whenever you move forward from the back, just like your toe when you're pushing back, you swip to your toe and use your toe for that bounce. You can do the roll and get even a further bounce. And that's how you do the power shift.